Hello everyone, it's Hanny. I found all this package paper. How do you call that? Well, it was in a big box. My husband, he ordered something and he got that, and well, the box was full of this paper, and I noticed that it was nice paper with I don't know if you can see it, but with you can tear them. It's perforated. How do we call that? So I'm doing that, and this is the birth of a journal. So I don't know how, but this is going to be a journal. So I'm back with the papers. I ironed them, and I tore them. They were the paper were perforated, you see. And now I have a bag, a brown bag, paper bag. I think it's for garbage. One moment, I will get the label. It's from Germany. I got this. Yes, it's for garbage. And they are, how big? Well, 10 liters. Whoa, 10 liters. Whoa, that's a lot. Well, it's a big one. It's, where is my ruler? My ruler is gone. The ruler with inches. Well, I don't know where the ruler is. Well, I do it in centimeters then. 35 centimeters by 20.5 centimeter. I don't know what the inches are because my ruler is gone. I have no idea where he is. Oh, there it is. Well, in inches it is, that's 12 and a few more. Well, 12, 14, not quite 14 inches, but by 8 and a little bit. And the papers, well, they fit, but, oh yeah, I fold it in half, a bag, and now I want to do the papers in here, but they are a bit too big, so I will trim them a bit. And that's, I have to trim them 6 centimeters, I think. Yeah, let's do that. 2 inches. 2 inches or 6 centimeters. Where is my cutter? I'm not quite prepared, you see. Well, 6 centimeters. I think that's okay, 6 centimeters. Like there. And that's, well, 2.5 inches. Yeah. 2 3/4, 3/8? 3/8 inches. I haven't been in my room of crafting in my room for, well, almost, well, 6 weeks, 2 months, I'm not sure. So I can't find anything anymore. And I don't know how things work anymore. But okay. And that's one. I'm just checking if it's fitting or not. This is going to be a travel journal. Yeah, that's a beautiful size. So I'll do that. It's going to be a travel journal. I'm going to Venice in about 5 weeks, I guess. Maybe I take some with me of the travel journal with me. I'm not sure, but I have won a trip, a city trip. I won a city trip because I sent a photograph of my grandson in the train to a contest, online contest of well, a Dutch company called Milieu Centraal, and they had a photo contest of the most beautiful picture of a view from a train. That was the well, you have to, the photo has to oh, sorry, I can't speak English anymore, but I hope you understand what I mean. I'll show you the photo somewhere. Here, a little photo I sent in from my grandson. The photo was taken a few years ago, a few years, but 5 years ago, I think, 2017. It was taken, and well, I thought that's a beautiful photo, oh, beautiful picture, so I will send it in, and well, it won. I got the first prize. And that was a city trip, 5 days city trips with a company called Green City Trips. And we chose a trip to Venice. So we are going to Venice with the night train. So we have to sleep in the train for 2 nights. And then I think, yeah, 2 nights in Venice, and then 1 night in the train, 2 nights in Venice, and then 1 night in the train again. So, and I think I'm going to take this journal with me. So I'm not going to put a lot of pages in there because it's only 5 days. And I'm going to take some photos. And I bought an old selfie printer of Canon for $5. And there are some papers in there, photo papers in there, so I can take some pictures and print them with the selfie printer. I will show the selfie printer somewhere, a photo somewhere here. And well, it's an oldie, and when it's empty, well, it's empty. I can't get any papers or ink for it, so anymore. Nowhere. I couldn't find nowhere. So if someone has some papers left for the selfie, this one, that's the selfie. I'm not sure, CP30. Well, I put it in the description or here on the screen. Well, I will buy it from you if you have some left. But I will take some pictures and, well, I'm going to journal in this. So I think I'm only going to do, well, maybe 3 pages, something like that. Oh, this is still a big one. So I have to cut another few pages. 6 centimeters, I said. 6 centimeters. I have to do it that way. I'm still tired. But I thought, well, I want to do something, and let's film it or record it, and we'll see how it goes. Well, a bit clumsy because I'm still tired. Like I said, those are 2 pages. So now I have 3. Well, I can do a few more, maybe. And I'm going to sew them in, I think. But I don't know how much pages I need. So maybe I'm not going to bind it yet, but bind it when it's done, when I have been to Venice. I think I'm going to do that. Just taking this with me and a few extra pages. I can do another few 6 centimeters. Because I think I'm going to make more of these journals, so I can cut all the papers if I like to, because it's going to be the same kind of journals. So, well, just see if that's straight. So I'm going to take this with me to Venice. That's enough, I think. So this is going to be my journal. I will cut some more, I think. I'm not going to bind it yet. I could decorate the front with some things of Venice, if I have. Don't know if I have some things of Venice. I don't think so. And those are the pages. But I could make a journal though, because I'm going to make more. And we are going away with the camper. With the camper van. No, it's not. Yeah, it's a van. Camper van. When the weather is nice again. In spring, I think. And I could use some more pages then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. It's 12. 6, 4. I can't. 24 pages. Well, that's a lot. So I'm going to sew this one. Just stitching it in. One in the middle. I'm not going to measure. I'm just going to start from the outside. But I'm going to, well, this is the middle, maybe. I'm going to push a hole in it because that's easier from the inside. You see? So, and now, well, here I think. Like so. And now on here, somewhere here, I'm going to poke from the inside. Something like this here. And then to the outside again. Oh, through the same hole, honey. Well, it's not the same hole. Well, whatever. And now I'm going to put a knot in there. Just like that. And now I sewed it in, and I like that a lot more. This is the front, and this is the journal now. Just sewn it in. Well, and if I have to many pages, well, so be it. Cut this off. Something like that, so I can do something on here if I want to. Well, this is very plain. Just bind it with a 3-stitch packaging paper and a bag. A very simple journal, very plain, because I'm going to decorate it when I'm on holiday or after that. So that's it for today, and well, it's simple. It's a long video of a simple journal, but hey, it is what it is. And thank you for watching. Bye.